Hi everyone, this is Masha here, and today we're going to learn about factorization with a greater than 1 coefficient. So I can see that there's a greater than 1 coefficient on this quadratic equation. So when you normally factorize, you know that you need to pull out the greatest common factor. So is there any way I can do that here? No. And I also noticed that I have an exponent that is twice as much as this one. So what it means is that, yes, I can factorize this question, but by using this particular method that I'm going to be showing you now. So the first thing we need to do is that we need to rewrite the first term, 3x squared, and plus 6. So the first and last term, I need to rewrite them a bit spaced out. So that's 3x squared, and that's plus 6. Yeah, make sure that it's spaced out. Then the next step is to multiply them out, both of them, is to multiply them both out. So 3 times by 6, that's going to be 18, right? So 3 times by 6, that's 18. Now I need to find all the factors of 18. So let's try and find all the factors of 18 in number order, please. So 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6. Do I have any more? No, because they're going to be repetitive if I were to continue from here. Okay, then the next step is to look at the last term here. What about the sign of the last term? The sign of the last term here is positive. What it means is that among these factors that I just found out, I need to find a pair of factors that by adding, will give me 19. That by adding will give me 19. Let's have a look. If we add 3 and 6, do we get 19? No, that's just a 9. So that's no. If we add 2 and 9, do we get 19? No, that's just 11. So that's not it. If we add 1 and 18, we do get 19. So these are the two factors that we're looking for. Then we are going to rewrite this plus 19 separately as plus 1x and plus 18x. Okay? Now it looks something similar to what we're used to normally, okay? We are used to doing factorization, simple factorization like this, right? So do we have a common number, a common factor between this one, 3x squared plus 1x? No. But do I have a common letter between them? Yes, it's x, right? So I'm going to write this x outside the bracket and then open up bracket. So x multiplied by what is going to give me 3x squared? That's just 3x. Then I need to think of x multiplied by what is going to give me plus 1x. That's just plus 1. Now, visually, we need to understand if this is actually correct. So let's try and expand that in our head. X times by 3x, that does give me 3x squared. X times by plus 1, that does give me plus 1x. Next thing, we need to factorize this. Okay? So do I have any common factor? That's the greatest common factor I can have. Yes, I do, which is 6. So plus 6, yeah, plus 6, open up bracket, plus 6 times by what is going to give me 18x, 3x, that's right. Plus 6 times by what is going to give me plus 6. That's just plus 1, because anything times by 1, that is just the same number. So 6 times 1, that gives me 6. Now look at this. I've got the exact same parenthesis, which means that I'm doing this correctly. Okay? So your final answer is going to be 3x plus 1. Whatever is inside the bracket is only going to be taken once. So 3x plus 1. And then whatever is left outside the bracket, you're going to write that down. So this is left outside the bracket, x and plus 6. So x plus 6. And that is the final answer, and you're going to get full marks for this type of question. All right, thank you.